Hi all, this is Mrs. Mester, librarian at Chinook, and I'm going to show you how to log into Sora. Sora is our ebook platform, and that allows you to check out ebooks from home. To log into Sora, you start on your Classlink landing page and click on the rocket guy. The rocket guy is the Sora symbol. Now you can search for ebooks that are available at Chinook. Sora is shared across all of Highline Public Schools. So that means that there might be some books that are more mature for you than you would like, or there might be some that are a little too mature and are not mature enough, and that's fine. There's just a variety of books, just like you would find a variety of books in a library. So on Sora, if you scroll down, you can see these colorful rectangles, and those um, highlight different resources that we have available. And if you keep scrolling, you can see all sorts of books, all sorts of places. Recommended collections for Valentine's Day, or for Lunar New Year, or for Black Lives Matter, or fantasy, or just whatever. Just scroll through until you find books that you are interested in reading. If you know a title of a book that you are interested in reading, you can search for the title at the top, and it will show what's available in the school library or in Sora. So if you click on the title, it'll tell you a little bit about the book. It'll tell you this is the synopsis of what it's about. You can read a sample, which means you look at something before you check it out. You can change or you can highlight anything that you want. You can change the way the font looks. I personally like to read my ebooks in sepia format just because it feels better on my brain. Maybe you are a high contrast reader or you just like it regular and bright. Once you set your appearance, it will be the same for every book. And then you can scroll sideways by clicking left and right and see the book that's there. If this is something that you are ready to check out, you click on the borrow and it will show up down below on your shelf. This is something that you can now have to read offline or on any device that is logged in as you. You can also add a library over here on the side. So to get there, I clicked on this hamburger menu. We call those three lines stacked on top of each other a hamburger menu. So click on the hamburger menu, and I see Highline Public Schools is already bold, and I, Mrs. Mester, have added King County Library System. You can do that too. You click on this green plus sign, type in the library that you're interested in. So King County, say this is my library. Maybe you have a Seattle Public Library card. You can connect it there. So you find the one that you're interested in. And now when you search for books, you can also search their ebooks at the same time. When you log in and are ready to check out a book and you need to log in from King County, we all have accounts from King County. And everybody's account starts with 401 and then is your entire ID number. So if your account, a student ID number starts with 401, then it would show up as like 4011234. So everybody's has a 401. That number represents Highline plus your ID number. And then the password is the last four numbers of your ID number. I would be happy to help anybody that needs some support with that. And so you go back, and now we're back to Highline Public Schools. But if I wanted to search for a book, I've added Highline or King County. I can search all of my libraries at the same time. And now I'm seeing what shows up in Highline Public Schools and what shows up in the King County Library System. And so I can stay within Sora and find all of those ebooks. So it's just pretty easy to navigate and to find and to log into. Everybody that is looking for an independent reading book, I strongly recommend looking in Sora. We're updating books all the time. We're updating our collections all the time, just constantly coming in and checking Sora, making sure that you have an ebook. When you have found something, you can come over, download, and save your book for later. Come over to general settings that shows you what your preferred language is. If you are a student who needs dyslexic font, you know who you are. You're totally able to do that, and it will turn all the font that it shows up into the support. And if this is a good font for you, then you please use it. It's here to help you. If you are a person who needs the high contrast, you can select it here and it will default to the search page, or everything will default there. So that's how to log into Sora. I hope this is helpful to you. Again, if you need some help, you can ask me for some support and I would love to help you. And good luck finding a good book to read. Thank you.